Hey guys, welcome back to Sloop's Garage. We're back out here with the Corolla, and we're going to go ahead and change the spark plugs. So I got NGKs. They are LKAR 7B IX-11S. Now these should be pre-gapped to 44 thousandths, which I have here. I got a 20 thousandths and a 24 thousandths stacked together, and that actually does not fit. That's shocking. So I'm gonna check another one real quick. I hope these weren't dropped. I mean, this should have put the case around it, should have protected it. Weird, that's not fitting at all. So I'm gonna go ahead and gap these out properly to 44 thousandths, and then I'll come back. All right, I'm back. I ended up getting this gapped out to 44 thousandths perfectly. These fit just perfectly. They're snug. They're not too loose. You want to be careful with the platinum tip. Actually, I think this is iridium. Yeah, these are iridium tips. So you want to be careful. Even with their platinum plugs, you want to be careful with those as well. So I'm going to go ahead and pop the cover off, and we'll get started here. So you just got to pop the cover off. And then I probably should grab tools. Let me grab tools, I'll be right back. Alright, sorry about that. I should be a little more prepared next time. So what you need is you're going to need a 10 millimeter, either socket or wrench, ratcheting wrench, whatever you have, to get the coil packs out. So you'll need that. And then I unfortunately do not have a 9/16 spark plug socket. So I'm just going to be using a standard 9/16 socket. And then to get the actual spark plugs out of the holes, I'm going to use this piece of hose. So let's get started. So first you got to disconnect your electrical connector. They can be a little tricky at times. And you got to pull your 10 millimeter off. I probably should have had a longer one instead of the stubby one. That's alright. Now I pulled these plugs out, or I pulled one of the plugs out before. And they probably don't need to be changed, but they're auto lights. I do not like running auto light anything in foreign cars, especially Toyotas. Try to go with NGKs or Denzos. So something you want to look at when you pull out your coil pack is you want to make sure that this end's not split or stuck on the spark plug, and also look for any oil. If there's oil on here, your valve cover gasket, there's little O-ring looking gaskets that seal your spark plug holes from getting oil in them. So if you have oil on these, that's what's failed. So now we'll go ahead and pull the spark plug out. Again, I'm just using a standard ratchet, which of course isn't long enough, and I just dropped that down in there. I went ahead and grabbed my longer extension. Sorry about that. Just want to be able to fish this other one out. It might be beneficial to take this off. I'm not going to. I'm just going to do that. Get rid of that short extension and go with the long one here. Alright, we're good now. So you want to be careful with these. If you're feeling a lot of resistance, be gentle. You can break the hex off the threaded portion of the spark plug, and once you do that, you're in for a world of trouble. You'll have to figure out how to get that out. without pulling the head off and taking it to a machine shop and stuff. Ask me how I know. Alright, so that spark plug's loose. As you can see, it didn't come out. So I'm going to use this piece of hose like I said. You just want to stick it down in the hole until you feel it go over the spark plug. There we go. Alright, so there's our old plug. Oh wow. This one is way worse than the first one I pulled out. So these definitely needed to be changed. That gap is huge. I don't know if you can see that or not. That gap's pretty big. So we'll go ahead, put the new one in. Being careful not to drop it. So you can actually start the spark plug in the hole with this piece of hose as well. And then when it bites, it just lets go. Or it stays in the hole. Now when you tighten them, I like to tighten them until they're snug. But basically when this stops spinning as free as it is, it's going to snug up, not there. So right about there it's snug, and I'll go, no, it's still not snug, hold on. Alright, that's snug, right there. So I'm going to go about a quarter turn after that. You don't want to go too far. Again, you want to be able to get these back out in the future. So after that, you go ahead, reinstall your coil pack with your 10mm bolt. Make sure to tighten it. Reconnect your connector, and that's it. Obviously you repeat the steps for the last 3, so pretty easy stuff here, guys. Anybody can do this stuff at home, so you shouldn't have to pay any kind of mechanic to do this type of work for you. Real simple. But that's it. Just wanted to give you guys a how-to change your spark plugs on a 2010 Toyota Corolla S. I appreciate everybody watching, subscribing, commenting. We're up to, I believe it was 55 subscribers. Thank you guys so much. I really appreciate it. I'm not trying to like get rich off of this or, you know, make any money on it. I'm just trying to have fun. I do this stuff all the time, so why not document it, share it with other people. So again, I really appreciate everybody tuning in. As always, like, share, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.